So the first thing that we need to do is to install the ADDS services via the server roles. Then just click next and click install, then just proceed with the installation process. So in the search box, you search DC promo to install the ADDS services and then just click next and proceed with the steps. As you can see, I'm having a trouble with installing the ADDS services because I realized that I wasn't using an administrator account. So I just logged in my administrator account and search DC promo again in the search box. Then the installation went smooth. So as you can see, I named my domain as ceu.net, then click next. And don't forget to change the forest functional level with the version of the server that you're using. Then click next. Then create a password, make sure that it's strong. Then toggle on the reboot on installation. When your computer is restarted, we'll install a new server role, which is the DHCP server. So just check it, and click next, next, and change your preferred DNS server to your IP address, then click validate. Then just click next, next, and add your scope, in which mine is scope 100, and I just adjusted my IP address with starting number of 10 and ending number of 110. Then don't forget to input the subnet mask. Click next, then disable the DHCP basic stateless mode, and click next, use current credentials, then next, and install. As you can see, it installed with errors, but it's okay since we're using VMware. So the next role that we'll install is the file and print services. Click next, and don't forget to check the file server resource manager. Then click next. The local disks, then click next, next, and click install. So after installation, go to start and click the server manager. Go to the reverse lookup and create new zone. Don't forget to add your network ID, click next, and finish. So after creating the new zone, click the lookup that you made and create a new pointer. Then add the additional ending IP address. For the host name, click the browse and just find in the server the same as parent, then click OK. So go to reverse lookup again and create new zone, and don't forget to change the host address with the default address, then browse again, click the same as parent, then OK. Click the new zone and edit the IP address again, then add the ending number. So in creating an organizational unit, go to Active Directory Users and Computers, click the domain, and click New Organizational Unit. Just add on a name of your choice. Then add first name and last name. Click Next, and create a strong password. Then click the password that never expires and click Finish. Then create another user. It's just the same process. So after that, you'll be needing an administrator, so go to users above it, then copy the administrator, then name it as your name, and transfer it on the organizational folder that you need. So go to computer management, click on the disk, and shrink the space. Then just input the space size that you want. Click the unallocated disk and create simple volume. Just click next with the process and don't forget to name it as redirection and click finish. So just format the disk and go to Files Manager, click the redirection disk, create a folder and name it as folder redirection. Click the folder and go to Properties. Go to Sharing and click Advanced Sharing. Click Permissions and add New User. Just input AU as authenticated user. Check all allow for the authenticated users and remove everyone. Click Apply and OK. Go to Security, add again the authenticated users and click Allow, then Apply and OK. Copy the network path of the folder. So go to Group Policy Manager, go to the user that you made and click Create GPO. Just name it again with the preferred name of your choice. Then click OK. Then edit the GPO. Go to Policies and click Windows Settings. And go to Folder Redirection. Just click on the folder that you want to share. Mine is Desktop, then click Properties. Then change the setting to Basic. Then paste the root path that you copied. Go to Settings and check the first two boxes, then click Apply and OK. I then go to my client, which is Windows 7, and log on one of the user of my folder or server, which is user 1. So I go back to my server and check on the folder redirection located at the disk. And as you can see, user 1 appeared since I logged on, and I can see also its desktop files. So I go back to my Windows 7 client and try to create two folders, and I'll check if it will appear on the server folder, and basically it appeared, signifying that sharing was a success. So for backup and recovery, I just installed it from the administrative tools, then I tried it by clicking on the backup and just proceed with the process. Click Next, click on the folder of or files that you want to back up, and add its location where the backup will be placed. So the backup was successful, and upon checking, my files are backed up already. So for the recovery process, I just tried deleting the two folder from my Windows 7 client and click on the server, click the recovery, just proceed with the steps. Click on the folder or files that you want to recover, then click next. And browse the location where it will be located and recovered. Then upon checking, the recovery was a success. The files are recovered already.